Like me, do you wonder why medical research withholds the truth from menopausal women that they have a disease called hypogonadism? To find out the answer, I invite you on a journey with me into the world of medical research on menopausal women. My name is Beth Rosenshine, and I want your future to be better than my present. Let's get started. The language of clinical trials is supposed to tell us in easy to understand words and phrases what the purpose of a clinical trial is. According to the National Institutes of Health, clinical trials are a key part of medical progress and are used to develop new ways to prevent, detect, diagnose, or treat diseases. That would be great if it were true for all clinical trials. The medical research community knows it's not true because there has never been a clinical trial that has used ovarian HRT for menopausal women. How can I be so sure? I know because there are no published therapeutic levels for the ovarian hormones. The reason there are no published therapeutic levels is because therapeutic levels are to treat a disease. According to medical research, menopausal women don't have a disease, which is untrue. The National Library of Medicine confirms that menopausal women have hypogonadism, but adds that it is normal for women. In men, however, the National Library of Medicine acknowledges that hypogonadism is not normal for men. Interestingly, the gonads of women, which are the ovaries, and the gonads of men, which are the testicles, produce the exact same hormones, just in differing amounts. The ovaries of women and the testicles of men produce estradiol, testosterone, and progesterone. These hormones, like all other hormones, do the same job whether in a woman's body or a man's body. The National Library of Medicine is saying the exact same condition, hypogonadism, is normal in women but abnormal in men. Clinical trials that recruit men with hypogonadism identify therapeutic hormone levels and monitor those levels to ensure therapeutic hormone levels are maintained. Clinical trials that recruit women with hypogonadism do not identify therapeutic hormone levels and do not monitor hormone levels, but still say that hormone replacement was used. The only way a clinical trial can say that hormone replacement was used is if a therapeutic level is achieved and maintained. The symptoms of hypogonadism are the same for women and men. These symptoms include genital atrophy, severe loss of sexual function, loss of sleep architecture, loss of bone density, hot flashes, decreased mood, brain fog, and many more. In all, there are about 100 symptoms. Clinical trials that recruit men with hypogonadism with the goal of maintaining therapeutic hormone levels report a high success rate of 75% or higher based on significant improvement, including a return of sexual function, restorative sleep, mood, bone density, and overall quality of life. The same cannot be said about clinical trials that recruit women with hypogonadism. These trials have no therapeutic target for hormone levels. These trials report a very low success rate with no mention of a return of sexual function, restorative sleep, improved mood, normal bone density, or improved overall quality of life. Therapeutic levels of hormones create powerful positive changes in a person's body. Women with hypogonadism deserve the opportunity to experience and benefit from that positive change, just like men with hypogonadism do. I'll talk more about this in my next video. To learn more in upcoming videos about unethical menopausal research, please click here to subscribe.